What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we got a 2019 Dodge Charger here. This is a V6 engine. If you guys, I was on an oil change, then I decided to, you know what, show and tell a little bit of video on if your rack and pinion fails, motor fails, or something happens. So it's not a pretty hard job. So you see that bolt right there? That'd be one of the bolts you would have to remove. Make sure you lock up the steering, the top, and obviously tie rods from each end. And you got one big connector right there with the red little guy right there. So that's got to come out. And just take out your wiring. And the connector has, there's another connector on the other side. There's two connectors. And you simply take off this bolt. And you take off that bolt. And if there's anything around it, you look at it. And make sure you center your rack and pinion just like any other vehicle. You gotta center that rack and pinion if you want to take it out. But the problem would be inner tie rod. Problem could be inside. The problem could be the motor. And it's two bolts, 1 and 2 on the other side. And should be a 45-minute job if you ever want to get to do this little guy. And make sure you lock up the steering first of all. You're probably gonna have this cover underneath right there. And center your steering rack before you lock it up. Wherever important, you lock that bolt up when it's that time. And if you have any play in the knuckle, you can check that from down here also. All right, that's it. Okay, if you ask me how to center the steering, first of all, before you take anything apart, center your wheels. Make sure the steering is right in the center and your wheels are straight. You lock it up with the seat belt. And this little guy, you would have to count turns. You would take it all the way to one side. And you're probably going to have about 3 1/4 turns. 1, 2, 3. And then you come back 1 turn and a half turn and a little bit. So that way it's in the center. That way you have equal turn to the right and equal turn to the left. And most commonly, this would fail internally or your motor there. I don't know if you're gonna want to buy a motor separately. It's all up to you. The motor got a couple of screws. Okay, the motor has a few screws. Let me go around to show you guys. So there it is. It's probably 1 or 2 up there. And the whole gear mechanism in here, the gears can fail in there too, okay? So these look like a 15 millimeter. And you might probably have to put a wrench on the other side. I'm not sure if that's a welded bolt. I doubt it. And then count the threads in your tie rods too, so you get the alignment back to normal. But you do need to get alignment after that. But if you don't center your rack and pinion, it's going to be all off. You're probably going to not have a full turn.